Hi guys, sorry my first video did not have any kind of volume, so I just wanted to make sure that I re-record it so that you guys can see it. So what I did, guys, was I created a lab for you. You know how much I love labs, amazing seventh graders. So you will be having a lab that you do need to complete in order to be able to accomplish this week's grades. So you're going to see an assignment that says 4-9 traits lab. And then when you open up this document, you're going to be seeing the instructions. So this lab will be a joint lab. It will be between you first. It will have something to do with your parents, and it will have also things to do with your friends. You do need to find 6 people in order to be able to complete this lab, and they do not have to be in your classroom, but they do have to be part of Compass Rose. So please make sure that you are looking for friends and networking. So the first part of the lab is you're going to be looking at yourself to see if you have these traits. These are the most common traits, physical traits that you're going to be able to see. Once you go ahead and log on and get all of your information of what form you have, then you're going to do the exciting part of the lab, which means you're going to be finding people that also have the same traits as you. You're also going to be taking pictures and recording on here the traits that are the same as yours. You will also be, after you record, because this is a lab, you will have to do a bar graph that is going to be explaining the frequency of the traits that you found. And in order to be able to change the information on here, you have to click on the actual bar graph. Then you will click the arrow down, click open source. And once you do that, it's going to bring you into an Excel document. And in this Excel document is where you're going to be entering the data that you found. Once you enter the data that you found, it will change the points. You enter the data in this section here. It will change the bar graphs that you have here. So make sure that you are reading the directions. And if you have any questions, I am here for office hours Monday through Thursday. I'm usually here Monday through Friday, but since this Friday is going to be a holiday, I will not be available on Friday. So you do need to make sure you're cataloging all of your information on this Google Doc. It will pop up a new one for each one of you. So that will allow you to be able to record your information. And it's supposed to be to make sure that we are not forgetting that we are still here and that we will be controlling our social distancing, but still being able to enjoy an awesome lab. And you know how much I love pictures of you guys in all of these crazy scenarios, especially when we do our labs. So it is going to be fantastic to see all of you guys making sure that you are connecting still with your peers and that you know that we are still here having fun, doing our labs, working hard, and having rigorous instruction from Compass Rose. I can't wait to see all of your projects from your biomes, which were due on Monday, and I can't wait to see this one. This one is also due on Monday. So make sure that you are connecting with your peers, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Labs, 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 let's go. You know it's fantastic. Bye, 7th grade.